Hello, everyone! Today's episode takes you into a sweet, fun love story. And along the way, we'll uncover the phrasal verbs people use in real life. Do you know the phrasal verbs people actually use when talking about relationships? Then let's jump right into the story.
My friend once set me up with a guy from her class. I wasn't sure at first. Blind dates usually make me panic and mess up everything. But surprisingly, during our first coffee, we hit it off. He made me crack up with the simplest jokes, and honestly, I kind of fell for him right there. Soon, we started to go out every weekend. He took me to cute cafes and late-night dessert spots. I slowly opened up to him, and he told me he really cared for me. It felt sweet. It felt real. But after a year, things got messy. Texts got shorter, calls got rarer, and our spark just started to fizzle out. Small arguments turned into big ones, and instead of trying to work through things, we just gave up. We broke up. For months, I tried to cheer up with snacks and dramas. I thought I had moved on, until I ran into him at the grocery store. We talked, we laughed, we accidentally overshared. He admitted he wanted to win me back, but didn't know how. And somehow, we ended up trying to patch things up. One thing led to another, and yeah, we got back together. Now we just laugh and say, maybe it was meant to be, or maybe we're both too lazy to start over with someone new.
In the story, you heard phrasal verbs like set me up, fell for, broke up, and even got back together. These are the expressions native speakers use when talking about love and relationships. So let's break them down and learn what each one means. Set up, to arrange a meeting or date for two people, usually hoping they'll like each other. Mess up, to make a mistake or do something badly, to cause problems in a situation. Hit it off, to quickly become friends or get along really well from the first meeting. Crack up, to suddenly laugh a lot, to find something very funny. Fall for, to start liking or loving someone very much, to develop romantic feelings. Go out, to date someone, to be in a romantic relationship. Open up, to share personal feelings or thoughts, to talk honestly about emotions. Care for, to feel affection for someone. To like or love someone in a gentle, caring way. Fizzle out, to gradually fade or lose excitement, energy, or interest until it stops completely. Turn into, to change or transform into something different. Work through, to try to solve a problem by talking and understanding each other. Give up, to stop trying, to quit, to decide not to continue. Break up, to end a romantic relationship. Move on, to stop thinking about the past and continue with life. Often used after a breakup. Run into, to meet someone unexpectedly by accident. Win back, to regain someone's love, trust, or relationship after losing it. Patch things up, to fix a relationship after a fight or problem, to make peace. Get back together, to restart a relationship after breaking up. Start over, to begin again from the beginning, to give something a fresh new chance. And that's it for today's episode. Let me know in the comments which phrasal verb was your favorite today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more episodes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.